Pakistan is one of the world's largest producers of salt, with a rich history and vast reserves, particularly in the Punjab region. The country's salt production is largely centered around the khewra salt mine, which is one of the oldest and largest salt mines in the world. Here's a detailed overview of Pakistan's salt production, including the methods of mining, processing, and transportation. Pakistan ranks among the top salt-producing countries globally. The country produces millions of tons of salt annually, with the majority coming from the khewra salt mine. The salt from Pakistan is highly regarded for its purity and distinctive pink hue, often marketed internationally as Himalayan pink salt. The khewra salt mine is located in the Jhelum district of Punjab, about 160 kilometers south of Islamabad. The mine has been in operation for over 2,000 years. It is believed to have been discovered by Alexander the Great's troops in 326 BC, when they noticed their horses licking the salty rocks. The khewra mine is the second largest salt mine in the world and the largest in Pakistan. It contains an estimated 6.7 billion tons of rock salt, with annual production ranging from 300,000 to 400,000 tons. The primary method used in the khewra salt mine is the room and pillar method. This involves mining large chambers or rooms of salt while leaving behind pillars of salt to support the roof of the mine. This method is designed to maximize the amount of salt extracted while ensuring the structural integrity of the mine. In the early days, salt mining was done manually using simple tools like pickaxes and shovels. Workers would chip away at the salt deposits, which would then be hauled out of the mine in baskets or carts. Today, salt mining in Pakistan is more mechanized. Heavy machinery, such as drilling rigs, mechanical shovels, and conveyor belts, are used to extract and transport the salt within the mine. The use of explosives may also be employed to break up large salt deposits. In deeper parts of the mine, the salt is often extracted using drilling and blasting techniques. This involves drilling holes into the salt deposit, filling them with explosives, and detonating them to break the salt into manageable pieces. Once the salt is extracted from the mine, it undergoes crushing and grinding processes to break it down into smaller, more uniform pieces. This step is essential for producing salt suitable for various uses, from industrial applications to table salt. The raw salt is then purified to remove impurities like minerals and dirt. This process often involves washing the salt in brine, a concentrated salt solution, and filtering it to achieve the desired level of purity. After purification, the salt is graded based on its size and quality. The finest grades are often used for edible purposes, while larger or lower quality grades may be used for industrial applications, such as in the production of chemicals or for de-icing roads. The final product is then packaged in various forms, including blocks, granules, or powder, ready for distribution. Most of the salt produced in Pakistan is transported by road. Trucks and lorries are used to carry the salt from the mines to processing facilities and then to markets or ports for further distribution. Railways also play a crucial role in transporting salt across Pakistan, particularly for long-distance hauling to major cities or export terminals. Pakistan exports a significant portion of its salt, particularly the famous Himalayan pink salt. The major ports for salt export are Karachi and Port Qasim, from where the salt is shipped to international markets, including the United States, Europe, and the Middle East. Pakistan's salt is highly sought after for its purity and unique pink color, making it a premium product in global markets. The salt is often used in gourmet cooking, spa treatments, and decorative items like salt lamps. Salt production is a vital part of Pakistan's economy, providing employment to thousands of people, particularly in the Punjab region. The industry supports both direct jobs in mining and processing, as well as indirect jobs in transportation, packaging, and export. The khewra salt mine is not only a source of economic wealth but also a cultural and historical landmark. The mine has become a popular tourist attraction, with features like the Salt Mosque, the Pulsar Bridge, made entirely of salt, and various salt sculptures showcasing the artistic potential of salt. While the salt reserves in the Kremlin are vast, there is a concern about the sustainability of mining practices. Overexploitation could lead to the depletion of this valuable resource. The process of mining and processing salt can generate waste, which, if not managed properly, can lead to environmental degradation. There is an ongoing effort to balance salt extraction with environmental conservation. Responsible mining practices, waste management, and restoration of mined areas are essential to preserving the mine for future generations. Pakistan's role as a major salt producer is deeply rooted in history, with the Khewra salt mine standing as a testament to the country's rich mineral resources. The evolution of salt mining methods from traditional manual techniques to modern mechanized processes has allowed Pakistan to efficiently tap into its vast salt reserves. The transportation and export of salt play a crucial role in the country's economy, with Pakistan's Himalayan pink salt enjoying global recognition. As the industry continues to grow, balancing economic benefits with environmental sustainability will be key to ensuring the long-term viability of Pakistan's salt production.